Hi everyone, in today's video we would like to show how you can make the keyboard vibrate each time you type something in on an iPhone. So unfortunately the standard iOS keyboard does not allow you to enable the haptic feedback, so we recommend that you try getting the free App Store application called Gboard. It looks just like so. You can get it for free from the App Store, as I've just mentioned. Then just make sure to open it, go to the keyboard settings and turn on the enable haptic feedback on the key press option. Now just open up the keyboard, basically anywhere, and in here on this globe icon you can tap and hold on it. Make sure that the Gboard keyboard is chosen, and now once you use the keyboard, you will feel the slight and gentle haptics or slight and gentle vibration. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.